Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Farid, and then today we come back with a new cool little project which is our home window tinting. This is our window look from outside, and as you see I already tinted the bottom part and then the rest is not tinted yet. And tint gives you the privacy and professional look to your glass. Let's tint the rest. As always, I start to pre-cleaning the glasses to remove any dust or dirt from the glass before start the job. I spray the soapy water to the glass. That helps me to move the film easily and hold the film while I'm cutting the bottom line. Now I roll out the film against the glass with the liner outside. Gently move the film upward and align it with the top edge of the glass. Then with the very steady hand, I start to cutting and trimming the bottom part to the shape of the glass. I'll leave the side cutting after the installation. Then I'll roll down the film and remove it from the glass to get ready for the next stage. I start to final cleaning before installation. Spray the soapy water, scrub the windows, dry the trim and edges with the clean towel, start to squeegee line by line, step by step to remove all dust, dirt and contaminate from the glass for installation. Put the finger like this to the towel and go around the glass. Spray the water again. To apply the tint to the glass, carefully start peeling the liner away from the film while I'm applying it at the same time. Work from the left to right, unrolling, and press the film gently onto the glass. I take my time and don't rush. Keep everything wet and smooth to avoid the crease and bubble. Once it's fully on, lightly move it into the place. To removing the water out, I start to making a big cross in the center of the film and the glass and divide the glass in 4 different sections. Now work on each section one at a time, either downward or upward, depending on what area that I'm working, to drive out the trapped water or air bubble. Take my time and make sure each section is flat and smooth before moving to the next one. Still we're not finished yet, so we shave the side. Now it's time to squeeze the last step. Spray the water again. Makes it easier and more slippery for the squeegee. So this time it's a bit more harder. Start from the center. Very straight line. Step by step come back and at least cover half the line of the previous squeegee line. Again, top section. Wipe it off. The other half little bit more harder. This is the final look after the tint. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe it and share with your friends. See you in next video.